everybody, how are you doing? Teresa Phillips here from the lab of Redeem and Renew Skin Solutions. And today I want to show you a process to help get rid of some of this wrinkling stuff. Now, I've been using this for a while. It doesn't look too bad, but look at that. Yeah, there it is. There it is if I make it happen. I use the Smoothest Silk. This stuff is fantastic. I can't get enough of this stuff. I pump it on my hand just like that. I'm just going to use this arm to show you the difference. Put it in there. Already you're seeing a difference. See, I'm forcing that wrinkle up. We have what's known as the skin repair. This is not your normal body butter. This is something different. It's a very unique product, and we're selling a lot of it because it's got hyaluronic acid in it, it's got glycolic, it's got so many wonderful things in it. Plus, it has the most wonderful oils in it. This is jojoba cream. It is mango shea butter. It is absolutely wonderful, but it is like having a skin treatment. Yes, especially for aging skin. I have it here in the lavender, and I love lavender. The lavender mist that we've been preparing, and we've been putting it on our bed at night. Sleeping is wonderful. You take a little bit, rub it in your hands. Watch this. Look at that compared to that. I am telling you, this stuff is fantastic. I've been using it now for the last couple weeks, trying it out because I don't want to tell you something that's not working is working, but this stuff is absolutely fantastic, and I've been using it even on my feet. It's wonderful. Go to redeemandrenew.com and look up the skin repair. There's many different fragrances.